Hello friends. So today we are going to learn about how to download and install Power BI desktop application on our Windows systems. So just quickly to the Google Chrome browser or any other browser and type Power BI and click enter. It takes you to the Microsoft website. So just click on it. Microsoft official website visible here. Just go to the products tab and click on the Power BI desktop. You can see here that the two options are available. One is the download free, another one is the see download or the language options. If you want to download Power BI desktop application from the Microsoft Store, you can click here. If you want to select the language, go here. A new window will be open here. If we scroll down, you can see there are so many options for the languages available: English, Germany, or you can say Hindi too. If you scroll more, you can see they provide you the system requirement to download the Power BI. It's a very simple requirement. Just select the language and click on the download. They provide you here the two options. One is for the 64-bit operating system, another one is the 32-bit operating system. My operating system is 64, so I just click on it and click on the next. The Power BI desktop application will be downloaded on your system. I have already successfully downloaded Power BI desktop application on my system, so I just click on the Power BI desktop icon. When you open the Power BI desktop application first time, the welcome screen will be appear here. There is 4 main links are provided by the Microsoft here. So we can learn this step by step. The first one is the what's new. Every month the Power BI team added the new features to improvise their tool. So all the descriptions about the new features are provided here. You can see they provide you all the articles month-wise here. So you can just go there, you can read the description and understand the features in a more better way. You can also watch the video here to understand the new features. If you click on the second option, Power BI block, it will take you to the same page and it provides you all the information category wise. The third option is the forums. If you click on the forums, it will take you to the Microsoft Power BI community page. If you want to join this community, you can register here. If you scroll down, you can see there are so many unanswered topics are present here. They also provide you the solutions. If you are stuck with any Power BI problem, you can get your solution here. If you scroll more, you can see so many people all around the world are available. So if you have any questions, you can post your query here. They can try to solve your doubts. The last one is the tutorials. If you click on the tutorials, it will take you to the Microsoft Learning website where you can learn Power BI in a more better way. If you scroll down, you can see they provide you the learning materials for the different functionalities present in the Power BI. How to consume the data in Power BI, how to use the DX function in the Power BI desktop. So they have provided all the learning videos here, so you can just try to watch it and understand in a more better way. One more thing, they also provided you the one official channel for the Microsoft Power BI. So if you go to the YouTube and type Microsoft Power BI, and search for it, you can see the official website of official channel of the Microsoft Power BI. You can click on it. It will take you to the official channel of the Power BI. They have uploaded here so many videos regarding their month-wise features and so many resources, how they are using their community things. So you can just explore all these options to understand Power BI. So that's it for the today's video. In the next video, we will learn about the more features about the Power BI tool. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our videos.